The art of home decoration transcends mere aesthetics. It's about crafting a sanctuary that resonates with your personality, values, and experiences. In an era dominated by mass-produced items, the allure of handcrafted decor lies in its unique ability to inject soul and individuality into living spaces. Crafting your own decorations allows for a deeply personal connection to your home, transforming it from a generic space into a reflection of your inner world. Unlike store-bought items that lack character, handmade decorations carry the imprint of your creativity, passion, and skill, creating a sense of warmth and authenticity that is unmatched. The beauty of this approach is its inherent flexibility, allowing you to create decorative elements that are not only beautiful, but also functional, sustainable, and perfectly suited to your individual style. The crafting process itself becomes a meditative practice, a way to unwind and express yourself while simultaneously enhancing the beauty and comfort of your home environment. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of decorating ideas for the home you can craft at any time in year. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most versatile and rewarding avenues for handcrafted home decoration is textile art. Textiles possess an inherent ability to add warmth, texture, and color to any room, and the possibilities for creating unique textile pieces are virtually endless. Consider the transformative power of embroidery, for instance. With a simple needle and thread, you can create intricate designs on fabric, transforming plain cushions, curtains, or wall hangings into works of art. The beauty of embroidery lies in its adaptability. You can choose from a wide range of stitch techniques, color palettes, and motifs to create pieces that perfectly complement your existing decor. During the spring and summer months, you might opt for light and airy designs featuring floral patterns or nature-inspired motifs. In the autumn and winter, you could embrace richer, warmer colors and incorporate images of falling leaves, snowflakes, or cozy winter scenes. Beyond embroidery, techniques like quilting, weaving, and macrame offer equally compelling opportunities for creating unique textile decor. Quilts can be used as bedspreads, wall hangings, or even throws, adding a touch of rustic charm and comfort to any room. Woven tapestries can serve as striking focal points, adding texture and visual interest to blank walls. Macrame plant hangers can bring a touch of bohemian style to your living space, creating a verdant and inviting atmosphere. Another captivating craft that lends itself beautifully to year-round home decoration is the art of paper crafting. From delicate paper flowers to intricate origami sculptures, the possibilities for transforming simple sheets of paper into stunning decorative elements are truly remarkable. Paper flowers, in particular, offer a versatile and cost-effective way to add a touch of beauty and elegance to your home. You can create paper roses, lilies, or orchids in a variety of colors and sizes, arranging them in vases, garlands, or wreaths to create stunning floral displays. During the holiday season, you can create paper snowflakes, stars, or ornaments to adorn your Christmas tree or decorate your windows. Beyond flowers and ornaments, origami offers a wealth of possibilities for creating unique and eye-catching decorative pieces. You can fold paper cranes, butterflies, or geometric shapes to create mobile, wall hangings, or even small sculptures. The beauty of paper crafting lies in its accessibility and affordability. With just a few basic supplies, you can create a wide range of beautiful and unique decorative items that will add a touch of whimsy and personality to your home. The realm of ceramics offers yet another avenue for creating personalized and functional home decor. Handmade ceramic vases, bowls, plates, and planters possess a unique charm and character that cannot be replicated by mass-produced items. The process of working with clay is both therapeutic and rewarding, allowing you to create pieces that are both beautiful and functional. You can experiment with different clay types, glazes, and firing techniques to create pieces that reflect your individual style and aesthetic preferences. During the spring and summer months, you can fill your handmade ceramic vases with fresh flowers or vibrant greenery, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your home. In the autumn and winter, you can use your ceramic bowls to display seasonal fruits, nuts, or potpourri, adding a touch of warmth and fragrance to your living spaces. Furthermore, handmade ceramic planters can be used to showcase your favorite houseplants, creating a verdant and inviting atmosphere year-round. The inherent imperfections and variations in handmade ceramics add to their charm and character, making each piece truly one of a kind. Beyond these specific crafts, the principles of upcycling and repurposing offer endless opportunities for creating unique and sustainable home decor. Instead of discarding old or unwanted items, consider transforming them into something new and beautiful. Old wooden pallets can be transformed into rustic shelves, coffee tables, or headboards, adding a touch of industrial chic to your living space. Discarded glass jars can be repurposed into elegant candle holders, vases, or storage containers, adding a touch of vintage charm to your home. Old clothing can be transformed into quilts, cushions, or rugs, adding a touch of comfort and personality to your decor. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. By embracing the principles of upcycling and repurposing, you can not only create unique and sustainable home decor, but also reduce waste and contribute to a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. This approach encourages creativity and resourcefulness, transforming everyday objects into functional and aesthetically pleasing pieces. Moreover, the incorporation of natural elements into your home decor can create a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. Gathered stones, shells, and driftwood can be used to create unique centerpieces, wall art, or decorative displays. Pressed flowers and leaves can be framed and hung on the walls, adding a touch of natural beauty to your living spaces. Branches and twigs can be arranged in vases or used to create rustic chandeliers, bringing the outdoors in. The key to incorporating natural elements into your decor is to do so in a way that feels authentic and personal. Avoid overly contrived or artificial arrangements. Instead, embrace the natural imperfections and variations that make each element unique. By bringing elements of nature into your home, you can create a sense of calm, balance, and harmony, transforming your living spaces into a sanctuary where you can relax, rejuvenate, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Ultimately, creating decorating ideas for the home you can craft at any time of year is about embracing your creativity, expressing your individuality, and connecting with the materials and processes involved. It's about transforming your home into a reflection of your personality, values, and experiences, creating a space that is both beautiful and deeply personal. By exploring different craft techniques, experimenting with colors and textures, and incorporating natural and upcycled materials, you can create a home that is not only visually appealing, but also sustainable, meaningful, and filled with character. The journey of crafting your own decor is a journey of self-discovery, a way to connect with your inner artist and create a living space that truly reflects who you are. It's an investment in your well-being and a celebration of the beauty and creativity that exists within us all. So, embrace the joy of crafting, let your imagination run wild, and transform your home into a sanctuary that is both beautiful and deeply personal. The possibilities are endless and the rewards are immeasurable. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for decorating ideas for the home you can craft at any time and year. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.